Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something a little different. Instead of a tutorial or a review, I'm going to do my Boxycharm unboxing. I'm one of the Boxycharm subscribers, obviously. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a subscription box service kind of along the lines of Ipsy and Birchbox, where instead of 5 sample size products, you get 5 full size products a month. It goes for about $21 a month, which in my mind is a steal. Of all these subscription boxes I've had, and I've had quite a few, this is the best one, in my opinion, and is the only one that I've kept subscribed to. Anyway, let's get to the goods. Let's see if I can break into this. I know if you work in the medical field, if you work in a hospital, you have a ton of these laying around your house from stitch removal kits. Hella sharp, and they're great for trimming your eyebrows. Alright. And the first thing that's laying on top is like this little booklet thing. And it says eye candy with a description of all the products and some of the contributors. And on the back are 2 coupons or like offers. One to a Sephora.com offer for Dr. Brandt, and the other for Tarte.com. The first thing that I'm seeing are 2 brushes, which I am a brush junkie. I will admit it. I love brushes. I don't think you can have enough. I'm always on the search for newer and better brushes. The first one in this 2-pack is from Blend Beauty. This is the L4. It's like this super soft like blender brush, which I'm excited to try this. I love blending brushes, and so far no one has taken the throne of the IT Cosmetics, I think it's the 107 brush, but hey, I'm always down to introduce contenders. Oh, I'm wrong. This is from the brand SL Miss Glam. The next one is the eyeshadow brush, the P15, and it is a dense, like, synthetic brush. I will admit to having a lot of brushes like this. So I don't know if I will end up keeping this one. I'll try it. May very well end up giving it away. The next in line is the Brow Gal Instant Light Hair Tinted Brow Gel with microfibers. This will be fun. Let me see if I can break into it. Thank goodness, this wasn't one of those like wrappers where you like pull at it and it just like snaps off the entire way and you spend like 20 minutes unwrapping it. Look at the teeny tiny little brush. Look at it. It's so cute. Just kind of raking this across the back of my hand. Color looks pretty good. I'm trying to get it opaque enough to show. Ignore the other smudges. Those are from the Flower Beauty eyebrow pen thing, and it had gotten like clogged with powder, and I was swatching it on the back of my hand to get it to work again. But this looks like it'll be good. I'm interested to try this. Up next is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner. It is a pore purifying mask for oily combination skin. That makes me nervous now. Since I started tretinoin gel, my skin has gotten a lot more dry, so I may hold on to this. I don't know, maybe I'll use it. But I've had 2 different products from Dr. Brandt in previous Boxycharms. One was the exfoliating cleanser, and the other was Pores No More Luminizer Primer. This is good stuff. I was really happy to get this. Next up is the MAC Lip Tensity Lipstick in the shade Dionysus. I was really hoping I'd get the MAC lipstick. One of the variations that was going out for the Boxycharm boxes this month was the Tarte highlighter, like the liquid highlighter, and I don't buy from Tarte. I don't use Tarte. They're on my company shit list, so I'm really glad I didn't get anything from them. But oh, okay, this is probably gonna get given away. This is really dark. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it at least. Oh, okay. That's not what I was expecting. It's like this rich ruby, like purple toned red. It's really pretty. Like, isn't that gorgeous? Okay, so I'll probably keep this. And the last thing that coming out of my Boxycharm is one of the guaranteed items that every subscriber was going to get in their Boxycharm was a palette from ColourPop. And I was super excited because pretty much all of the palettes that they had listed were ones that I could easily find a spot for in my collection, and I love ColourPop shadows. I got the Element of Surprise palette. I was kind of hoping I wouldn't get this. I mean, it's cute, but I don't know when I'll ever wear. Okay, maybe I'm wrong. Or maybe I spoke too soon. It's like a nudes palette with like pops of colors in there. You got like this bright ass pink. And this like duochrome like purpley shade. And another ooh, okay. Oh, do you see that? Let me do it again. It's like this gorgeous blue, purple, orange, pink shadow, but it doesn't look like that in the pan. It actually looks almost like a tan. Well, no, well, yeah. Like I've swatched the top off and it changed the color underneath to like the color that I'm describing, but on top it had like this layer of like bluish, like holographic pigment. I take back what I said. I am actually really happy that I got this palette. Alright guys, that's all I have. Thank you for watching this little unboxing video. I apologize for the scratching noises of my dog. She's really upset that I locked her out again. And that's all I got. If you would do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button that is below this video, that would be really awesome. I love having new subscribers and it's really exciting every time I get a new one. I'm still like probably the smallest channel on YouTube. So like every subscriber counts and I love everyone. If you want to see any new videos that I'm going to put out in the future, next to the subscribe button is a little bell. If you tap that, it will let you know when I post my next video, which is probably in like 5 years. And go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. Let me know if you liked this video, if you'd like to see more of that in the future for like May or June. If you'd like, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is lipstick@breakfast. I'm trying to post there more, and I do update that a lot more than my YouTube because it's less time intensive. Alright guys, thank you so much.